Hi guys, welcome back into another video with me. It's Quadri again. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can use your card for arbitrage using Mifinity.com. So in my last video, I showed you guys how you can use Mifinity for arbitrage by using another platform, getting the code from another platform called Cash to Code or e-voucher, so and use on Mifinity to credit your Mifinity account. But in today's video, I want to do something different. I want to use my card directly on Mifinity.com. I want to use my card directly on Mifinity.com and see if it's going to work and how much profit I'm going to make from this. Because in the last video I made, I think I didn't make profits. Yeah, I didn't make profit and I didn't make loss because the process was long. Because um after I deposited on Mifinity, I faced a lot of issues and challenges on Mifinity.com because my account wasn't verified then. Because so I'll advise you, if you are going to use Infinity, please make sure your account is verified before you use this platform for arbitrage. Make sure everything is verified. You verify your account. Make sure your account says verified. It says verified here. Make sure it says verified here before you should use this platform. Without wasting much of our time, let's get into today's video. So once you log in to Mifinity.com, if you don't have an account of Mifinity.com, create an account. Is Mifinity.com. The link will be in the description box where you can follow. Create an account, log in. Once you log in, then you go to deposit. You click, once you log in, you click on these three lines, the menu icon. Once you click, it bring out this interface and you click on deposit. Once you click on deposit, it's load and it bring out options for you can make to credit your wallet. But today we are going to be making use of the Visa Mastercard logo. In my other video, I told you how to use cash to code to deposit on Mifinity.com. But today I'm using Visa or Mastercard. That is the credit card or debit card option. So I'll click on the Visa and Mastercard. You can see I have two cards already, but these cards are not verified. So I want to make use of one of this card for this I want to make use of one of this card for this tutorial, and that will be the second card here, the one ending with 45. And I'll input the CVV and input amount. Most cards are $20 limit, so I'll choose, let me input $19 as my deposit amount. So it's going to load and calculate. So the transaction fee is 76 cents and the total amount I'll get is 19. So let me swipe and pay. Then you click on swipe and pay. It's loading. We're waiting for the network. It's loading so it can take us to the next interface where we follow the instruction. Yeah, here's the code: 506107, and click on confirm. After you get the code, it's going to load. So it's loading. Transaction declined, rejected by processor. So my card doesn't work directly. Card option is not working. So the best way is to use the cash to code. So if you are using the cash to code, it's better you use multiple cards on cash to code so you can get profit. Because after using the cash to code method the other time, charges ate up my profit, so I couldn't make profit from it. I will try and use multiple cards using cash to code and load it on Mifinity, then withdraw and see how much profit I'll be able to make from that. So as you can see, the card is not working on Mifinity.com. So let's try other option. This is how we try, because some people will be like, you just did something, you are not showing it directly, you are not doing live video of how you did it, you are just making it. This is how we face now. Imagine I did something now, it doesn't work. If it worked that way, if I didn't make the video when it worked, I will have to come and explain to you guys how it worked. But now I did a video, it doesn't work, so I will still have to post this because you guys asked for this. See you in my next video. I'll try and bring another update.